My name is Mrs. Mercy Kanu Ezim from Aba branch.
Okay. Mass return on Gafa.
Mass return. Today's mass return on Gafa. Abu Begamontiambo. It's very fantastic. I've not seen this type of mass return before. Many people, many branches came and they did so many activities. I thank God for everything. Okay. None of their branches. They miss a lot anyway. And I may advice that they should come next year. Happy next year. Kabara Christmas. During the mass return day.